Hi, I'm Maddie.
I'm Dylan.
And I'm Jessie.
And we're here to teach you today how to make rock candy. The purpose of this lab is to induce crystal growth in order to demonstrate properties of supersaturated solutions. So we're going to be making rock candy. So our materials are, we need a 400 milliliter beaker. We need a scale. We need 825 grams of sugar. We need 275 milliliters of water. We need food coloring, red preferably. We need a 1,000 milliliter beaker of sugar to hold the sugar. We need a paper clip, a 15 centimeter string, and a stirring rod. Well, and a pen and a stirring rod. And then a piece of 33 square centimeter aluminum foil.
And then for safety measures, this is probably the most important part, is that you need to have your hair pulled back so that way nothing catches on fire or boils or burns off. And then you want to pull up your sleeves. It's important too. And then put your goggles on so that way if the water boils it won't jump into your eyes. And then you need to put gloves on when you pick up the very hot beaker.
Okay, so yeah. The procedure of this rock candy lab will start off by using a 400 milliliter cup or beaker and then measuring out 275 milliliters of water. As you can see, we've already done that and we placed it on the hot plate. So it is boiled or warm, hot. Then for the procedure to measure out the sugar, you're supposed to measure out a cup like so and then press 0. Tare. And then gradually you're going to add in the cups of sugar until you have 825 grams of sugar. And then slowly 1 tablespoon of sugar at a time and stir until the solute is dissolved. So we don't have a tablespoon, so we'll slowly take it. Jesse wants you stir, and he.
Okay.
And then stir it in so they keep dissolving. Once the solute is dissolved, the solution will be supersaturated, even if the solute is not visible. So, continue to pour.
Smells good.
I never used it. It's too small.
Wait, tell them that you're doing it.
Well, yeah.
Now we're going to add the food coloring while Jesse's still stirring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's good, that's good. Say 10.
So we put in 10 drops of red food dye. Food coloring dye.
With the pango.
Depends on the ground. On my foot. So it's going to attach to the pens.
Go and keep stirring.
We have been stirring for a while. We've added our food
Take it
dye
off, put it right
and
here.
we have it now in a 1,000 milliliter beaker. And now we're going to add now we're going to let this cool, but without letting go into room temperature. And we're going to place the stirring. We're going to place our stirring rod or pen with the string and paper clip at the bottom. So we're going to let it sit, and we're going to let it sit overnight and watch crystallization occur.
Make sure you turn the burner off. Another safety measure. And you should still have your gloves on at the time. Sorry.
So now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. So we're going to let this puppy sit overnight, and when we come back, we'll see crystallization occur.
Yep.
Okay, until then. Hi. Okay, so this is after the first day of crystallization and leaving it in overnight, and as you can see, there's already a lot of crystallization occurring, and our rock candy is coming along very nicely. So this is after the first 24 hours. Hi. Okay, so this is let me see it. This is the, it's been, how many days?
4.
It has been 4 days since we originally started, and it looks like it hasn't grown, but this is the only part we could pull out because this is all the rest of it. It is, the rest of the crystals are literally stuck
And pour it out.
are literally stuck in the jar. We're gonna pour it out to show you.
Take it.
I'll hold it.
Don't need it. Just drop it.
You were in our video the whole time. I was. Now do I drink this?
The bottom of that is literally all crystal.
Oh.
It is formalized crystal, and we can barely even get it out. It's going to be really hard to clean it. So,
So it's definitely very sugary.
that is our crystal formation, and that is our rock candy lab.